Hello, my name is Maisie and welcome to my garden. The time has come for my peas that I planted 2 weeks ago in my carton planting video to be transferred outside. As you can see, they are now too big for their current carton. Unfortunately though, we are still getting frost in the night, which is killing off a lot of our other seedlings. So what I'm going to do is transfer these into bigger pots. And again, I've gone through my recycling and I've cut up plastic bottles to make bigger pots. Something you may have noticed as well. So after having done a couple of shoots of the same scene, I must have forgotten to take some of the seeds out. So in the video I plant 3 seeds. In reality I now have 7 plants. Okay, as you can see, I've already planted 4 pea shoots already, and I'm just going to show you how I've done that. Okay, so we've got to get our fingers in the compost to lift up the peas, but we've got to be really gentle, okay? We don't want to break the roots. Go down the side and just follow the bottom of the carton and just lift up there, okay? Oh, look at those roots already. They've grown really far for such small plants. Okay, I'm going to try and crumble the soil so that they'll move away from each other. They've grown very close together, so their roots are going to be tangled up together. But if we're really gentle, we won't break any. There we go, perfect. Wow, look at that. Okay, so now I'm going to pop that in my tray. Okay, make sure that the roots can stretch as far as they can. Okay, and then we'll start pouring this compost over the roots. There we go. Just flatten it down, make sure. There we go. The next step is to make sure that it gets a nice long drink of water. Okay, because there's more soil now, there's more compost, there's loads more roots as well. We need to make sure all those roots get all the nutrients and all the water that they need to grow. Okay, and just watch that all soak up. And there we have it. All my peas have been transferred into their own little pots so that they can stretch all those roots out and get all the nutrients and water that they need to grow. So I'm going to continue leaving these in my windowsill so that they can get all the natural sunlight, and I'm going to continue watering them every day. If it's warm and you have a garden, you can even bring them outside whilst it's warm and just give them a little bit of a water, because then they can get extra warmth and that's really good for them. I will keep having a look at the weather forecast and seeing what happens overnight, whether it's getting frosty or not, and as soon as the frost stops I will move these outside, I promise. We'll do that together. Okay. One more thing that might be cool to do, what with homeschooling at the moment, would be so I've planted my peas in plastic pots, some of them are clear. And I thought it might be interesting to see what roots we can see whilst they're growing and what happens with them. So enjoy, good luck, and let me know how it goes.